possession of a firearm by a serious violent felon, unlawful possession of a firearm by a domestic batterer, theft, robbery, and driving while suspended. Mr. McBride exited the garage with his hands raised and initially complied with detectives' commands. Mr. McBride approached detectives, but then stopped short. Detectives continued to give him commands. Detective Vert explained to Mr. McBride the reason he was being detained. When directed to turn around, Mr. McBride said, "I'm not doing none of that." Mr. McBride turned and began reaching. Detective Hunter deployed her less lethal taser. Detective Jones then discharged his service weapon. Mr. McBride ran and then fell to the ground. Detectives gave commands for him to keep his hands visible. Mr. McBride rolled away from detectives and began reaching. Detectives Vert and Hunter discharged their service weapons.
Keep your hands up.
Walk towards us.
Walk. Yeah, she's weird.
Walk towards us through the fence right here.
Fence line right here.
Walk towards us. Walk towards us through the fence. I understand that. Walk towards us through the fence. There's police officers on both sides of that garage. Come on.
Keep your hands up.
Adam 240 is at your McBride, subject to your
You want to go less lethal?
Put your hands up.
You got taser.
We're giving you lawful commands.
Good. We're on ED1.
Keep your hands up.
Go ahead, Alyssa.
Hands up.
Alyssa has less lethal.
Keep your hands up now.
We got commands.
We got commands.
I'll go
Walk
hands
to me.
when she gets it.
Walk to me. Keep walking. Listen to our command. You're about to get tased, man.
What is going on?
Walk to us now.
That's what I'm doing.
All right,
Keep walking. Walk to the sound of my voice now, man.
come here.
You keep
Walk
on
to
messing
me.
I
around.
don't know what
Keep
to do.
walking.
What do you want me to do, man?
Jones, hold on.
Shit.
Walk towards me.
No, what is going on, man?
Walk towards
What's
me.
going
You're
on?
going to go in handcuffs. Walk towards
Why?
me.
What did I do?
Cartonio, you have warrants, okay? That's what this is about. Turn around.
Man, I'm not doing nothing.
Hey, motherfucker, you're about to
Sorry,
get tased.
stay them.
Get down now! Down now!
Keep your hands where I can see them or you're going to get shot. I will not give you another warning. You pull them.
Down now!
Multiple security cameras captured the incident.
Shit!
Walk towards me.
No, what is going on, man?
Walk towards
What's
me.
going
You're
on?
going to go in handcuffs. Walk towards
Why? What did I do?
Cartonio, you have warrants, okay? That's what this is about. Turn around.
Man, I'm not doing none of
Hey,
that, bro.
motherfucker, you're about to get tased.
Down now! Down now!
Keep your hands where I can see them or you're going to get shot. I will not give you another warning. You pull them.
Down now!
The following is a replay of the same security videos, paused, highlighted, and zoomed.
Shit!
Walk towards me.
No, what is going on, man?
Walk towards
What's
me.
going
You're
on?
going to go in handcuffs. Walk towards
Why? What did I do?
Cartonio, you have warrants, okay? That's what this is about. Turn around.
Man, I'm not doing none
Hey,
of that, bro.
motherfucker, you're about to get tased.
Down now! Down now! Keep your hands where I can see them or you're gonna get shot. I will not give you no warning. You
Additional officers arrived with the ballistic shield and safely approached Mr. McBride, who was placed into custody and provided medical aid.